A new healthcare office in Southwest Louisville could be in a position to save lives. WDRB's Stefan Johnson shares the return that some are calling a life and a game changer.
After years of providing health care to people in neighborhoods like Parkland, Park Hill, and Algonquin, this doctor's office on Dixie Highway closed a few years ago. But in September, it reopened with a new mission and new health care provider.
I actually grew up down the street over here on 17th and Lee.
It's just a regular checkup, but Eric Tribune is doing something he hasn't done in years.
I've been coming over here to this doctor for a long time, man. You know, ever since I was like 9 years old.
He's seen a primary care physician in his neighborhood.
I'm just going to take a quick listen. Deep breath in and out.
Kaylin Churchill is a nurse practitioner with U of L Primary Care on North Dixie.
This area in particular needs a primary care physician for multiple reasons.
In September, U of L Health acquired and reopened the location to reach an underserved area.
Geographically, most of this area is underserved, and having something close to home, most of these patients do not have reliable transportation, and they even walk to this location.
Before the office reopened, Churchill says a lot of people were simply neglecting their health.
I've seen a lot of patients since September that, honestly have just not taken their blood pressure medicine because they haven't had the access to health care locally in their community.
Man, I come here for the diabetes and the high blood pressure and just a little bit of everything.
A few years ago, Eric Tribune got a devastating wake-up call that motivated him to focus on his health.
It took for my mother to pass away for me to really take things serious, man.
All right, so your heart sounds good and strong.
So needless to say, Tribune was happy to welcome Churchill to the neighborhood.
You know, I was first on the list. When they called me, I didn't know. I was like, okay, you ain't got to tell me twice. I'm on my way.
Despite its popularity, U of L Health says this office is accepting new patients. With photojournalist Jonathan McEmber, I'm Stefan Johnson, WDRB News.